Here I have OPPO F21 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enable portable hotspot or how to share Wi-Fi on this device. So firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Personal Hotspot. By tapping it once you can switch your hotspot. By holding a finger on it you can access some of its settings, like you can display QR code to instantly connect to your hotspot. You can change its name, you can change its security protocol, you can change its password, you can change its AP band, and you can also set it invisible or visible to other devices. You can manage connections, like you can add connected devices to block list. You can set up maximum allowed connections, you can set up data restriction. You can also set your hotspot to turn off automatically when your device is up to... you can turn it off automatically when nobody is connected for 10 minutes. Excuse me for this misunderstanding. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.